Most don't believe it until they see it, but right in the middle of town is Granbury's own White Sandy Beach, a communal city park that just happens to have a beach in it.
Oh man, this is awesome. Look at how many people are out here enjoying it. I got folks barbecuing, doing volleyball, playing with frisbees and beach balls. It's a beautiful thing.
It's got all the fun of the coast, not half a mile from the courthouse.
In day tripping, sometimes you have to expect the unexpected. Finding a beach like this in the middle of a North Texas town is definitely unexpected. Well, I don't know what I'm waiting for. It's time to get in the water.
Fresh water, no jellyfish, no crabs, no sharks. Well, I hope. This is all the best parts of the beach without the bad. I've even got a crew to play frisbee with.
Oh yeah!
You know, those guys behind me give me an idea.
Okay, dude. I see these guys out here on the kayaks. Yeah. Rent them from you guys? You know it? Awesome.
You can rent kayaks, sup boards, and a whole lot of fun.
Feels like Frogger. You gotta dodge all the swimmers on the beach and try not to run over any kids. It's kind of fun. You know, lake kayaking is definitely different from kayaking down a river, but any kayaking is good kayaking.
Beyond the boardwalk is the lake to go out and maybe dodge some boats. This, my friends, is how to day trip.
Oh man, yeah, that's the way to kill an hour or so out here in Granbury. Just long enough to kind of cool off, calm down.
Oh, I forgot to mention, they also rent families. Lake time is fun, but lake time with the family is simply golden. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.